heard some tremendous sambar deer alarm calls and rushed to the area, hoping to see a tiger or a leopard. But to our amazement, it was this huge python we came across. I was surprised a sambar would call like that for a python. Then I noticed it was badly injured. It had been in a fight with a big cat, who, besides ripping it once at one place, had completely also broken any bone or cartilage right behind the head. It was totally flat there, and the head didn't even move once. We then decided to wait and scout the area more to try and find the cat. Almost 2 hours later, we found the python's adversary. It was a tiger who also looked exhausted.
बाकी बॉडी हिल रही है, मुंह वहीं का फंसा हुआ है।
बीच में पूरी स्किन उतरी है।
मुंह के पीछे दिख रहा है, वो बिल्कुल दबा हुआ है।